Boosting your confidence is easy if you keep yourself clean and well groomed. When you look good, you naturally feel more confident, which makes you stand out. In today's video, I'll talk about some premium and effective products that will not only enhance your beauty but also improve your lifestyle. These products are original and of the best quality. You can find the Amazon links in the video description and comment box. After using the products, please share your experience. Watch the whole video and rediscover yourself. Number 1, Viking Revolution's Ultimate Beard Conditioning Kit. Is your beard an important part of your personality? Looking for an effective solution to keep your beard neat and attractive? Then, Viking Revolution's Ultimate Beard Conditioning Kit is a premium package for complete beard care. What's included? Beard wash, sandalwood scent, effectively cleans and refreshes beard and skin. Beard conditioner, sandalwood scent, makes beard soft and shiny. Beard balm, sandalwood scent, helps set the beard and relieve itching. Beard oil, sandalwood scent, makes your beard smooth and fragrant. Dual action beard comb, ideal for daily grooming. How to use: first, clean your beard with beard wash. Then, use beard conditioner. After drying your beard, use beard oil or balm. Finally, set your beard attractively with the comb. Why is this product the best? Made with premium quality ingredients. Travel friendly, easy to carry. A complete solution for all beard problems. Priced at $29. Caution: for external use only. If any side effects occur, stop use immediately. Order this product today to boost your confidence and make your beard more attractive. The link is in the description and comment box. Number 2, Kees Age Defender Face Cream Moisturizer. Today, I have an exclusive product for you, Kees Age Defender Face Cream Moisturizer. This face cream is specially made for men, which will make your skin look firm and youthful. Ingredients and benefits: this cream contains caprylyl salicylic acid and caffeine, which help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It lightly exfoliates the skin and helps reduce dark spots and roughness. The cream deeply moisturizes the skin, making it look smoother and fresher. How to use: it's very easy to use. Apply it to your clean skin every morning and night. Take a small amount and massage it well into your entire face and enjoy the effects of the moisturizer. Side effects: usually it is safe and effective, but those with sensitive skin can do a patch test first. If you have any problems, consult a doctor. Available on Amazon. The link is in the description and comment box. Number 3, L'Oreal Paris Men Expert Face Scrub. Today, I have brought for you L'Oreal Paris Men Expert Face Scrub. This is an exfoliating face scrub made for men, which keeps the skin clean, fresh and bright. Ingredients and benefits: this scrub contains salicylic acid, which removes dead skin cells and helps clear blocked pores. The natural exfoliating particles deeply cleanse and refresh the skin. It also controls excess oil, resulting in bright and fresh skin. How to use: after cleansing your face every morning and night, take some scrub and gently massage it on your face. Then rinse your face thoroughly with water. Regular use will make the skin smooth and fresh. Side effects: generally, it is safe, but people with sensitive skin are advised to do a patch test first. If you experience any discomfort or irritation on the skin after use, consult a doctor. Price: it is available for only $14. You can easily buy it from Amazon. The link is given in the video description and comment box. Click there to place your order. Number 4, Tom Ford Amber Leather, 3.4 ounce. Today I have brought to you Tom Ford Amber Leather Perfume, which was launched in 2018 and its fragrance gives a luxurious experience. The main notes of this perfume are jasmine, leather, patchouli, white moss and amber. Ingredients and benefits: this is an eau de parfum, which will provide long-lasting fragrance on your skin. The dark scent of leather mixed with its sweet fruity scent will help you express a strong and modern personality. Also, its patchouli and amber blend creates a classic and rich fragrance. How to use: to use this perfume, spray a few drops near your skin. It will spread the fragrance with your body temperature. Very little needs to be used for it to be effective, but you can spray more if you want. Side effects: generally it is safe, but people with very sensitive skin are advised to do a patch test first. If any discomfort is felt on the skin, stop use and consult a doctor. Price: it is available for only $205, 3.4 ounces. You can easily buy it from Amazon. The link is given in the video description and comment box, where you can click to buy it. Number 5, Aqua Deparma Blu Mediterraneo Mandorlo di Sicilia EDT Spray, 5 ounce. The right fragrance plays an important role in boosting your confidence. In today's video, I will discuss a premium fragrance that will not only express your personality but also set you apart from others. Product introduction. Aqua Deparma Blu Mediterraneo Mandorlo di Sicilia is a luxurious and fresh fragrance inspired by the Italian island of Sicily. It comes in eau de toilette formula, making it light and captivating. Main notes. The main notes of this fragrance include sweet almond, vanilla, cedarwood, and star anise. Its sweet and warm fragrance will give you a feeling of joy and freshness. How to use. It is very easy to use. Lightly spray on your skin's pulse points, such as wrists, neck, or behind the ears. It can also be lightly sprayed on clothing to make the fragrance last longer. Side effects. Generally, it is safe and suitable for all skin types. However, if your skin is extra sensitive, do a patch test first. Stop use if any discomfort occurs. Price. The price of Aqua Deparma Blu Mediterraneo Mandorlo di Sicilia is only $90, 5 ounces. This is a premium perfume that should be in your personal collection. The link to buy is in the video description and comment box. Conclusion. If you are looking for a fresh, unique and long-lasting fragrance, then this is the perfect choice for you. Buy it today and make your day more vibrant. The link is in the description or pinned comment. Click now to purchase the original product.